My name is Mike Hayes. I'm farming here in Butlerstown, County Waterford. We run a very intensive dairy herd here of 160 cows. We max out our stocking at 250. So we demand a very good system for our replacement heifers, which entails using a very good milk substitute. Replacement heifer calves there are one of the biggest investments there in a dairy program. For the simple reason is they're, as day one, they're costing you big money. So when they come into your parlour at 2 years of age, they have to repay you that big investment. So if you don't get it right with all the ingredients that make up that calf's life to her heifer, you're actually going to have a loss if the heifer is not at the right gain and at the right production. When quotas went and farmers got more tuned into better weight gains, Interchem came out with ProHeifer, which is 26% protein, and it's got other additives for better weight gains. The calf feeder that we're feeding our calves with is a computerized system. For calf milk replacer from Interchem is quite good with our machine because it has a good flow through the system. There's no clogging up of any pipes or anything like that. I hope to keep using the ProHeifer for the foreseeable future. As I said, the ingredients on it meet all the requirements there for this weight gain in heifers. Cyclactin that prevents the scours from any setbacks. For me, with years of experience using it, why should I change?